welcome back to our next video from Riverstream TV. Yeah, you know, art I love. And before we're gonna wear in the video, yeah, we're gonna cook some curry chicken and dumpling. And guys, my internet now works so good for the live over on TikTok. You know, it can post video and can do that, but the live thing it now good feed. So I'm gonna get a stronger internet so we can have more fun over TikTok. So we're there on YouTube now, and we're always gonna dip on it. We're always gonna do more video and a lot of videos. So me gonna make you know the internet problem when me have, you see it. So big up on yourself and art I love, and we're gonna cook some curry chicken and dumpling, caramel dumpling, the hard man style, is it? So take a look on the stuff them and look what I go on. Normally guys, me not cook inside, so I go on some inside cooking on YouTube. Yeah, so take a look what I go on. Yeah, so as you can see we have the seasoning them here, so guys. That a pumpkin. Yeah, we have the curry, because we're going to cook some curry chicken. Yeah, we have the jerk season there, so we have the chicken season, we have ginger, we have Irish, we have carrot, we have onion, pepper, scallion and thyme, and the pumpkin. Yeah, and also have the flour here, so caramel flour. Dumpling, this is the flour and this is the caramel, you know? So, and again, we have the chicken. This is the chicken. So we're gonna season it up with them seasoning now. And then we're gonna start cooking the food. So stay tuned and art I love. And guys, I have a story time video for do on YouTube. So continue to follow up the YouTube channel, subscribe. So that you can get the notification when I do more videos, okay? Alright, see you. Alright guys, so we're ready to season up the meat then, you know. So see chicken up. So you don't know. I throw on some jerk season upon it. Yeah, get on the jerk season. So you know we are throw some curry on it now. This is the curry, this is the bag curry. That is it. So we will get them seasoning cut up and put on it now, and then we're gonna start, you know, rub it up, rub in all of the seasoning, is it? So stay tuned guys, the food too don't cook. Big up. Okay guys, so I strip the scallion them. Don't know. Alright guys, so I'm gonna rub it in now. Yeah, so I'm gonna bust the pepper, you know, so I'm gonna cut the pepper when I put it in. So, if anything, put a little more curry on this and the pot will go on now. So, look on the pot will go on. No! Alright guys, so you don't know, we set on the pot, so we're gonna put in the meat them now. We gotta burn a little curry, you know, so we have to burn the curry first. So look what I've done. Yeah, so curry in the pot, I burn. So you don't know, stir it a little bit. Yeah, so we're gonna start putting the chicken them now. So look what I've done. Alright guys, so everything gone at the pot. So what we're gonna do now, we may have the seasoning them. What we're gonna do now when the curry start cook, the chicken now start cook, and now we're gonna start put the water in this and throw it in there. So that means it cooked down good with the seasoning. Yeah. This is curry chicken and caramel dumplings, so stay tuned, alright? The food so done cooked, so big up on yourself. Yeah, and we have some caramel dumpling that we cook, so big up, soon. Alright guys, so we're turning the chicken now. Chicken them toast, we have to turn it now. You know, chicken let have its own water, so we're going to make it go and cook without the season, is it? You see that? We go and cook without the season, and then after that, you know, a coconut oil we use, so we make this curry nice with coconut juice, you know, we have the coconut oil, so it still will get that flavor there, is it? So, big up on yourself, see that? Yeah, so that's how it a cook. So when it a cook, I'm gonna show you. Yeah, and we're gonna leave it for about 5 minutes to a while. So we're gonna leave it for 5 minutes more, we're gonna check it back. You see it? So look at it. Yeah. Alright guys, so you know, so we're gonna sit on the floor now, because you don't know. I know outside we have cook. Even if we're outside, and like one time we have one pot, we have two now. Even if we're outside, we have 2 stoves now. So what I go do? Sit on the floor pot now. Right now, take a look. Yes, you see floor pot here. So you know, so we'll go to now. Boom, light the stove, turn it on, and press this, and you see the fire come up. So we're just going to now put the stove on, put the pot on fire, just like that. Yeah, we'll cover the pot. Now I throw in some salt first. Put in a little salt. So you see when this start boil up now, we're gonna need the flour with the cornmeal, with little salt, and then we're gonna start throw them in. So look what I'm going. See the meat there, guys, the meat has gone good. You see that? Yeah, so we're gonna turn them in a second. Alright. Alright now guys, so I need to start kneading the flour now, so stay tuned and look what I've got. So I have the flour, now I have the cornmeal. So we're going to twist this. Cornmeal down. Alright, so we have the flour and the cornmeal like this, so we're going to put a little salt on it. See when I put it out guys, this is the salt mouth. Sometimes it have a lot of salt on it, so hard to come out. That is it. So I'm gonna start kneading the flour now. Yeah, but we're looking for the chicken first. Spin the chicken. Make sure it's cooked a bit. Spin it. Right. You can go ahead and throw in the seasoned water, you know. Yeah, then we will start kneading the flour, is it? So we throw in the seasoned water, you know, then we will start kneading the flour. Right, we're going to throw it in the pot. Yeah, so you don't know, the curry, they on fire now, see that? They will cook down now. So take a look at it. See that? Yeah, they will cook down now. So stay tuned, I don't know. The pot for the water, for the flour start boil up, so we're gonna need the flour now fast. And we're gonna throw it. Alright guys, so we have the flour, and we're gonna need the flour, you know. So we're gonna put some water in it. I already stirred it up already. So I need it, you know. So I pour it in the water and then mix it up with a spoon. I start it with a spoon, then we'll finish it with my hand. I'll bless one mix it, because the pot start boil up. See? Look like it's on more water. More water. Let's stir it just like that. Alright, then we're going to start dealing it with the hand. So what? Right? Don't need. So I put them in the water, you know, because the water boil up. You see that? Yeah, so you don't know. Alright guys, I start throwing the flour them right now. Look what I'm going. Flour I need. Alright guys, so you don't know, we done the flour them. We don't need the flour them to see if that done, that full up. So we're gonna start cover we're gonna cover the pot now, and then we're gonna look for the chicken. So you don't know the chicken are cooked, you see that? Yeah. So big up on yourself after our food so done. Food up on the donings. Alright? Yeah. Cover the pot. Alright guys, curry chicken looks like it's done. So I wait for the flour to done, you know. So you don't know the curry chicken done. Look at it. See that? Just come on, nice, man. Taste that pizza. So guys, stay tuned. Flour so done. And by the time I show the next clip, I will eat the food. Alright guys, so the food done now. As you can see. Yeah. Meat done. Wow, steam will come out same way. Look at that. Nice. It smells like, hey, the coconut. Alright guys, you see if you want the curry, if it's cooked good and smell like coconut, or you don't want to put no coconut milk or powder in it, just use the coconut oil, the natural one. Let me show you it. And then it will give the scent, it will give the taste like you put coconut powder or milk in it. Is it? Use the natural one, this. Yeah, and it can clog up. You use that in your curry. So it makes it smell wonderful, taste nice, and everything, is it? So this is the dumpling them ready. Alright guys, then be done. I'm gonna get there and watch a local YouTube video. That's why you see the flour them look so. But we're gonna share the food right now. So prepare for share the food right now and prepare to see where I eat the food right now. Yeah. That's one of the food there. See that? Yeah. See that now? Look at the next one. Yeah. That is the curry chicken. Yeah, and dumpling, is it? Mad. So what we're gonna do now, guys, we're gonna eat the food. So we're gonna set up the tripod and do a mukbang video right now. Stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can see, I don't know if you can see me good, but we're ready to eat the food now. As you can see some food there. Nice curry chicken. Yeah, so you know we're gonna eat the food, you know. Yeah, this is curry chicken. This is why you call curry chicken. And call me dumpling. Guys, I really should try the curry chicken with the coconut oil. I tell you. I have a juice. Water. So nice. Alright guys, you don't know something I sweat. That means the food good. Yeah, see there? Chicken. This way I've left, but you don't know, I'm gonna eat it because I'm gonna edit the video you know, you see it? So I'm gonna eat this off camera. So big up on yourself. I think that's the end of the video. Enough love my side. Thank you so much for watching the video and press the like button. Just press the right button. Also press the subscribe button. When you're done, press the notification to get all videos when I'm uploading a new video. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you so much. One love.
You know what's your Twister live? That's a river scheme. You know what thing go out nice.
Yeah man, it is.
2022. I come to
Cool
Stream TV.
Stream TV. You know, God bless people from
River Stream TV.
yeah. River Stream TV.
Yeah.
You don't know how we say play, man.
River Stream TV, the big TV.
Yeah.
Yeah, hear me? Hey.
Cool, man. Click the bell, you know?
Yeah, see me?
Right, for the notification.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah, man. No,
Cool,
talk
man.
about
Big up,
River
man.
Stream.
Every
Right.
time. Cool, man.
Yeah, man. Right, through like
Nice.
that. River Stream.
You
You
see
know,
me?
so we have to watch it on TV and the ever clean. Right, through like night, too.
Okay. Alright.
Stream TV. There's a new TV station.
Yeah.